Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking developer options because this is where the show touches toggle lives. Once done, go straight to settings, then system or about phone and tap build number 7 times. You'll see a brief confirmation. Make sure you return to the main settings screen, then open developer options. This step grants access to touch display debugging features. You need it now so you can enable the visual feedback used for demos, tutorials, and screen recordings. Once developer options are visible, navigate to Input or Drawing. Names vary by Android version, and locate Show Touches. Turn the toggle on, you will immediately see a small white dot where you touch the screen. If you need more diagnostic detail, enable Pointer Location 2. That overlays crosshairs and coordinate data, which helps when recording precise gestures. Remember, Show Touches is purely visual and won't interfere with input. It simply draws a marker. To finish, run your tutorial or recording and verify touches appear across apps, then turn the feature off when done to prevent distraction. If touches fail to show, try a quick reboot, then re-enable the toggle. This clears transient UI issues. Make sure developer options itself is enabled. Some OEM skins rename the setting, so use settings search for Show Touches or check Input/Drawing sections. If problems persist, test another app or safe mode to rule out third-party overlays that block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.